At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 9, 2023, is Palantir stock a buy on artificial intelligence outlook? There's plenty for bulls and bears to hash out over Palantir Technologies. Bulls point to improved profitability for PLTR stock. Bears focus on decelerating revenue growth. Then there's buzz over artificial intelligence stocks to consider. Palantir stock fell on its second quarter earnings report. Quarterly profit and sales met analyst estimates. The company also announced a $1 billion buyback for PLTR stock. PLTR stock hit a 52-week intraday high on August 1 as AI stocks continued to rally. Palantir stock has jumped 165% in 2023. Shares still trade well below the software maker's all-time intraday high of 45 set in late January 2021. Artificial intelligence a growth driver? PLTR stock bulls point to artificial intelligence software as a growth driver. Palantir has already mined the AI opportunity with government customers for intelligence gathering, counterterrorism and military purposes. Will generative AI spur growth in the commercial market for PLTR stock? The software maker has expanded into healthcare, energy and manufacturing. In healthcare, Palantir customers possibly could use generative AI in applications such as drug discovery. Palantir announced its newest offering, the Artificial Intelligence Platform, earlier this year. On its second quarter earnings call with analysts, Palantir said. Palantir noted more than 100 organizations are using its new AI platform. Palantir has not disclosed pricing for AI products. Palantir's primary goal is to drive usage and education, with the goal of monetizing at a later point, Goldman Sachs analyst Gabriela Borges said in a note to clients. PLTR stock, fundamentals. Meanwhile, Palantir's governance structure gives Karp and co-founder Peter Thiel long-term control of the company through supervoting rights. The company name is derived from the Palantir, which are crystal ball-like seeing stones from the Lord of the Rings book and film series. Palantir means one that sees from afar. In addition, Palantir engineers often customize software for the needs of customers. That extends the time needed to ramp up digital transformation projects. So after Palantir wins a contract, it may take a while to generate revenue. The Denver-based company offers three platforms. One is Palantir Gotham, used primarily by government agencies. There's Palantir Metropolis for banks, financial services firms and hedge funds. And Palantir Foundry is used by corporate clients. Palantir gets nearly 60% of its revenue from government agencies. Decelerating revenue growth is an issue. In 2022, revenue growth slowed to 24% from 40% in 2021 and 47% in 2020. June quarter earnings were 5 cents per share on an adjusted basis. That was on target with analyst expectations, and up from a 1-cent loss a year earlier. Revenue rose 13% to $533 million. That also met Wall Street targets. Revenue included investments in special purpose acquisition companies. Denver-based Palantir said government customer revenue climbed 15% to $302 million, in line with estimates. Commercial customer revenue rose 10% to $232 million. Further, Palantir has been profitable using Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP, for 3 straight quarters. The company's forecasts for third quarter and fiscal 2023 revenue are roughly in line with expectations. Palantir forges partnerships. In November 2022, Palantir acquired full ownership of a joint venture in Japan that sells the company's software. Japanese insurance firm Sompo Holdings is the biggest customer. Then in 2023, Palantir began consolidating revenue from the joint venture in its earnings reports. In addition, a Morgan Stanley report estimates the venture had an annual revenue run rate of $50 million heading into 2023. Further, Palantir recently expanded its cloud computing partnership with Microsoft that targets government agencies. To speed up corporate adoption of artificial intelligence software, Palantir and IBM formed a global partnership. Under the deal, Palantir made its Foundry software available to IBM's cloud computing customers. The Foundry platform is a centralized data operating system that lets users manage, filter and visualize large data sets. One issue for PLTR stock is that large US government contracts are coming up for renewal. Also, one wild card is whether Palantir will win more contracts in the United Kingdom from its national health system. The NHS used Palantir during the coronavirus emergency. But a bigger contract worth €400 million, or roughly $426.6 million, is now up for grabs. Palantir stock technical analysis. Palantir stock's relative strength rating stands at 98 out of a best possible 99. Also, PLTR stock holds an IBD composite rating of 99 out of a best possible 99, according to IBD Stock Checkup. Meanwhile, IBD's composite rating combines 5 separate proprietary ratings into one easy-to-use rating. Also, the best growth stocks have a composite rating of 90 or better. Further, PLTR stock has an accumulation distribution rating of A-. That rating analyzes price and volume changes in a stock over the past 13 weeks of trading. A+ signifies heavy institutional buying, E means heavy selling. Think of a C grade as neutral. Is PLTR stock a buy? As of August 9, PLTR stock is extended after its recent rally. Palantir stock trades above a buy zone. Thanks for watching.